Here's a super sharp four-door sedan that gets incredible fuel mileage that's for sale here at Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this beautiful 2023 Nissan Sentra SR. Your SR is your sporty model. This one comes with an upgraded two-tone paint scheme and the electronics package. Around back, rear park assist sensors, backup camera, rear spoiler, SR badging. Gorgeous 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of tires. More than ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to a USB charging port located in the back of the center console. It's gun metallic with that two-tone super black roof with sport interior. Color keyed door handles, contrasting gloss black mirror caps with LED turn signals, part of that SR package. LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, forward collision sensor in the grille. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats that are SR specific with the red stitching. Embroidered floor mats. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Power trunk release. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 13,000 well cared for, 1 owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera. Dual zone climate control. More USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, a 12-volt outlet, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including trunk release and remote start, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and an auto dimming rearview mirror with a universal garage door remote. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Nissan Sentra SR, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.